Okay, so I'm doing a fast food tier list. Um, all American food. Have not had that at all. Arby's. Okay, we'll just start with the ones I don't have. I've never had. Few of these I've not had before, or been to. I've been to DQ. I think I've been here once. Just gonna put in D tier. That's going there. You're there. You are there. You are there. You were there. Had that once. Papa John's. No, I've had. Sorry, Johnny Mistake. I don't think I've had that. Okay, so here's all the food places I've actually had. So let's start. Okay, Burger King. I want to be beef Burger King because it's fine. It's not like that good, but the burger is fine. Carl Jr. B2. We'll put it B. It's fine. I've only had it once. Chick-fil-A. C. Chipotle. D. Denny's is like an A tier. Has a good food. Domino's. Let's see. Firehouse Subs. I've not had that yet. Five Guys. No explanation. IHOP. B. In-N-Out. Actually, let me make a tier higher than this. I need to make another tier. I'm gonna make another tier. To add a row. The goat. The goat. And out goes there. Jack in the Box? Okay, it's something I've had late night, so let's go best. I like it. Jersey Mike's. Jersey Mike's goes A. It's fine. Jimmy John's. I've not tried that yet. But KFC! It's also going in the goat. Little Caesar, it's fine. We're going the goat. Just kidding, we're going the best. McDonald's. That's from earlier. The goat. Panera. C. Papa John's. The goat. Pizza Hut. A. Popeyes. C. Sonic. A had some good. Had some. I think I've had that before. It had some good ice cream. Subway. A. It's fine. Taco Bell. Taco of the Bells. Wendy's. F. This place. Oh, it's the go for one reason. Give memories. Wingstop. B. And yep, that's all. See you all again soon. Subscribe and have a good day, y'all. Goodbye.